What of your masonry? Is it put by? Doffed with your apron, forgotten to lie? Dormant and void, inefficient and vain, till in the lodge you resume it again. Listen, my brother, true masonry dwells out in the world, not in dungeons and cells. It feeds the hungry, defends the oppressed, lifts those that languish, and soothes the distressed. Masonry's place is in the shop, street, and store, fully as much as behind the tiled door. 'Tis not a thing to be hidden away. It should be worn, used, and lived every day.